Hi, and welcome to the Fundable360 program. I'm excited to share this quick overview with you so we can help you prepare better for your call. And we're looking forward to having the conversation with you when we have that appointment. So the main goal for Fundable360 is to be able to help you acquire corporate credit, and often without the use of personal guarantees. We're very proud of that process. It's a very dependable, proven system that works every time. So who is Fundable360? We're essentially a fintech company that's going to help you to integrate the most efficient way for you to be able to establish your business credit profiles, and the process of which we separate out your EIN from your SSN so we can build out the footprint for your business for you to requalify for corporate credit over and over and over again. Our technology is so robust. It integrates with real-time algorithms, how the reporting agencies see you, whether it be the Dun Bradstreet, Experian, Equifax, as well as also gives you an insight to how the banks see your business as well, so we can make sure that they're seeing the right reporting systems so that you don't have any derogatory or demerits that affect your chances for success in establishing corporate credit. We work with an in-house concierge team, so my team essentially becomes your team, and we work every day for you, and you have access to us 5 days a week, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time, and we can speak live with regards to what's going on with your case, your profile, your process, so we can make sure we measure success as well. We also have it in a system where once you're established, you have access to perpetual funding without having to requalify or go through this process ever again. We're delegate underwriting access with over 400 banks and trade lines within our system. So you can be a one-stop shop where you can see all of that activity and be able to measure your results. Also, no premiums on our rates, right? Whatever is done with our banks, it's a direct pass-through to you guys as well. So we're super excited with that. Our goal is, like we said in the beginning, is to separate out your EIN from your SSN so you can acquire business credit, and often without the need for personal guarantee. We're very successful with this, and we'd love to be able to share with you the concepts of how we do that so that you could have your business not have personal liability with your person, and we can move that going forward as well. We're extremely robust. Who qualifies for credit? So essentially anybody that has an EIN, a business bank account, website, professional email addresses, mailing addresses, whether you're a startup that's 2 weeks old or you're a run-up that's been around for 20 years, we can absolutely have solutions for you. And the different businesses obviously will allow us to put in some different strategies in place. What's not required are financials, credentials, P&Ls, balance sheets, or your personal credit history. Now, if you have those and you want to utilize them, of course you can. It'll give you an option for different programs and might even expedite certain things, but we absolutely have success measures without that as well. We do have a service fee that we assess for every business that gets involved with us into the ecosystem for the Business Builder program. That enrollment fee is a one-time fee of $29.95, and that gives you access to a variety of things. The consistent use of our technology to be able to manage and run all of your funding programs, all of your funding opportunities, all of your funding contracts, all of your funding relationships over and over and over again, whether it's 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years. You'll be able to access all of that, continued access to our concierge team in-house, so we can always be your resource as well as your in-house credit team so that you can stay focused in your business. And like I said, you'll always enjoy no premiums on our rates, continuous new lines without reapplying. And we also have access within the program to the optional hybrid model. We'll talk about that here in a second. Gives you immediate funding as well for those of you who need it. And also gives you perpetual funding options within our system. We do offer a performance guarantee if for some reason we cannot deliver on our promise, and we both put in our best efforts collectively, you and us. And if we hit a brick wall and we can't perform, then we will issue you a refund for that enrollment fee, and you get to keep the work that we've done up to that point as well. So you obviously need to comply with the program and do your part to make sure that we can ensure the best opportunities for success. And I'm sure we will, all of us being in the business world. So optional hybrid programs for those of you who want to qualify for this expedited program for the businesses that are enrolled with us. In addition to the Credit Builder program, it'll give you access to be able to use our technology to optimize algorithms, all with concierge assistance, proven and guaranteed success, continuous and repeat corporate funding. We also have programs that will give you an opportunity to qualify for 0% for up to 12 to 18 months. And this could often be done inside of 30 days. So we definitely want to encourage you to have that conversation with us. And for the business that qualify, there's a few caveats for that. Even though it's a business loan and it's assessed onto your EIN, the banks will use the owner's verification just for verification purposes. You'll need to have a 660 and up FICO score, no previous bankruptcies, no hard pulls in the last 12 months, excluding mortgages and automobiles. And you'll be able to have access to up to $400,000 of unsecured funding issued to your EIN with no personal guarantees. It's a powerful program, comes with 0% interest for 12 to 18 months. It's a great hybrid option while your credit builder program, which is our flagship program, continues to build behind the background so you can have access to repeated opportunities over and over and over again. So very exciting for that. Our promise is this, right? We guarantee success on your money back and you can keep the work we've done. No premiums on rates, no more additional fees. What's the catch? Catch is we work with so many of the top tier banks, whether it be Chase, US Bank, Wells Fargo, Bank of New York, and here's an ability for us to be able to match them with the right businesses that fit their profiles without them having any cost of acquisition. We do all the work, we do all the compiling, we do all the strategizing, we do all the structuring, we work with the algorithms, we manufacture the results. And therefore, the banks will pay us a success fee over and over again for having done a good job if there's a good program that fits the business needs as well. So we're super excited with this opportunity. We can't wait to share it with you. Here are the next steps. Evaluate your business. You can do a free business scan on our website. It'll give you a good insight as to what you need, where you're at, what needs to be fixed, and even how to fix them. It'll give you an opportunity to register once you're in the program with us. We'll use our dashboard platforms to get you registered with all of the reporting agencies so we can start to monitor your activity, get your scores up to where it needs to be so you can have access to repeated funding over and over and over again. And within our dashboard, you'll get to establish your trade lines, your credit accounts, your lines of credit, and all of that can be done in one environment. So you can basically monitor that, manage that, be able to be efficient with how you control that. And you'll get to do that all within our dashboards. You'll have access to credit, repeated credit over and over and over again. All these pre-approvals sitting in your back office, just waiting for you to take advantage of them. And last but not least, right, you get to build substantial business credit and often with no personal guarantees. And you have continued access to the program over and over and over again. And you have personalized support from our concierge team. So you never have to worry. There is no guesswork. This is a done with you program, not a done for you program. And I'm sure you understand that. But here's the ability for us to work together to make sure you have success over and over again. So no guesswork. And we do this with you every step of the way with some deep down hand holding that we provide your program with. So we welcome you to take advantage of the opportunity. We look forward to speaking with you during the consultation. We'll have to do a quick evaluation to make sure that we're a good fit for each other. And if so, we can move forward and do some powerful things and get your business to where it needs to be as well. We're excited to work with you. We're looking forward to seeing you guys succeed. Thank you for the opportunity to be of service. And we look forward to seeing you guys on the call. My name is Butch. I'm the founder of the company, and we look forward to being of service.